I'm hunting sapphires at night. Let's go through these tailings. All right, I'm going through my tailings and whatever it is glowing. So we'll check this one out. Let's keep looking. Find it over here. Get it a little closer. Get it closer. Some just barely glow pink. Closer. All right, let's go over here to the next one. Yeah, we got some rocks glowing here. Could be like a really low grade one. Right here. There's more. Oh, there's more over here. I'm not sure if they're sapphires yet, so we're getting some real light. Just going to sweep this back. Oh, there's more. Look at all the ones we lost. This is crazy. This is going to be a lot. Did I lose it? There it is. All right. The light closer. All right, we're looking for the tailings and we're seeing some already. We're gonna put them in this little cup here. There's another one. Put them in this little jar here. So even though I went through it 3 times, there's a ton in here. Another one. They just keep coming, guys. Not all these sapphires are going to show up in the blacklight. So you have to go over your tailings with the UV light. I mean, that's how many we got so far. another one. We got a rock too, but another one here. Oh crap. Okay, there's something right there. I don't know what this is. It's pretty big though. We'll check that out. All right, what else? Is that one right there, maybe? Whatever it is lighting up. All right, let's put that in the pile. Okay, keep going. Let me spread this pile out a little bit here. Get it go closer. Let me know if something lights up from your angle. It's kind of hard to see. Over here. Go over there. You see anything else? I'm gonna spread this one out over here. Well, there's gotta be something in here. See something? This is not to glow much. Some of these just barely glow. Get it closer to the ground. Go through this. Look at that right there. See? Keep looking through that. Put this back in our pile. What about this over here? Check this out. Nope. Okay, keep going. Find me another one. Okay, back up. What about that pile over there under the truck right there?
Yep, I see one.
Actually, there's one right there. Something's glowing. We're not sure what they are yet, but we're just picking up whatever glows. All right, let's break this pile down. Okay, I'm not seeing much over here. No, here's some more light gravels. And there's something right there. Look at that. Something there. See that little thing here? There's one there too. Okay, keep going. Get closer on this one. Maybe something else will light up. Okay, we are sapphire mining with a UV light at night. It's not just a black light, but it's a UV light. See something? Where? Oh, look at that. They don't all really glow very much. So anything that even sort of lights up. This is not rubies, okay? These are just Montana sapphires. And I've already went through with here with the screens twice, and they're still. We're still finding them. I'm using a black light because it's the only way to find them. All right, what else? Go back over there. I think under the truck's gonna have some. And so what I did is I spread out my tailings, and I was hoping I could maybe find one more sapphire like that. But as you see, we found about 10 so far. Okay, get a little closer and all that. Just go close to everything. Just go around it, because some of them just barely light up. You're not going to notice them. Some of them just light up around the edges. you think that might be one?
No.
This one just barely light up. Up and back over here. Okay, there's got to be something in this pile. Look at that. Check that out. Keep going. All right. Get closer over here. Find one more. Come on. It's your job. Find me one more. You do it. You find with the light and just identify where it's at. Look real careful. And the closer you get to it, the more likely it might light up on you. Drop it.
Or not? That's gotta be something.
Keep going. Go back to this little pile right here. Looks like, yep, look at that. We haven't gone through this one yet. These are just tailing piles from the screens. That's all this is. All right, keep looking in there. That's something. Look at that. Probably another one. How about that under there? Keep looking in that pile.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, there you go. That's definitely one. Look at that. That could be a pink one. Pink ones have they glow the most. All right, come on. Give me some more. Getting sore out here. Do some night mining. So you can go to the creeks in Montana and just go to the bedrock and mine with the UV light. I heard about that when I was young, but I didn't really believe them. People said they were gold mining, but they weren't. They were looking for sapphires at night with the UV lights. Oh, definitely one right there. Okay. Any more? Give a quick look over. Go back onto the truck again. Actually, look at this pile. This pile hasn't gone through. Has it? Look at this one. Get up on this pile. Right there. What is this? No? Get up closer. Just get right where I'm sweeping at. That's something right there. Okay, keep looking while I'm up there. We already went through that. It's these little piles that are more likely to have them in them. Look at that. Could be something. Okay, keep looking. Did we get this one already?
Yeah.
Let's go over it again. Make sure there's not something crazy obvious in here. Let's move it around through there. Okay.
There's this.
Oh, that's definitely one. Anything else? Yeah, looks like we haven't gone through there, have we? Because we thinned it all out. There shouldn't be any little piles out here. Something glowing there. This could be really low grade. We'll see. Huh. Let me get back in here. So we got a whole bunch. That's definitely one. Look, there's a bunch right here. Look at this one. Yeah, the screening technique, guys. Seriously, you just do better to come out at night. Okay, keep going. Put it up there closer. Over in here, this pile. This has to have something in it. Look, there's piles up there that have been run over in there. Huh. Look, guys, we have more piles back here. Huh. Let's work this first. All right, guys, you get the idea. They're everywhere. So even if you use screens, a lot of them are gonna get away. And we basically have them all over the driveway still. So we'll do some more mining at another date. Thanks for watching. All right, so here are the different spots: Rock Creek, Spokane Bar, and this is what we just picked up. So let's turn off the lights with the black light and see how it looks. Okay, so you can see some in there. Yeah, you really can't tell with this black light. Not on camera. You can see it with your real eyes, but you really can't see it. There it is. It's not so easy to see on camera. The camera's not picking it up. So now we have it over the black light. We actually have it on the lens, this little tray. And we can see it perfectly with our naked eyes, but with this camera, the video camera cannot pick it up. You see that one going right there, but it's not really picking up. So let's take the rocks out of here and we'll show you what the sapphires look like once we get the rocks out. All right, so here you can kind of see it. The clear ones are sapphires. The other ones are like chunks of corundum, are very low grade sapphires. Like North Carolina stuff that's just lighting up with a black light, but it's really horrible quality. And there's the clear ones in here. It's very hard to see. We're trying different combos with the lighting. All right, so we're not picking it up here, but if you go behind like this, what iPhone is that, 11? I mean 15?
14.
14? The 14's picking it up better than the 11. Okay, they're turning red. Oops, they're turning red. See, mine's not picking that up, that red, like his is. Now, film that over there, the pile of rocks. Those are like corundum chunks like you find in North Carolina. How's it look on your camera?
I can see something.
Look at that, his is way better. See that? His is picking it up on a 14, iPhone 14. Or if I do mine, it doesn't pick it up at all. These are glowing, but we can see it with our naked eye, but you can't see it with the camera. So anyway, different cameras, different things. So 14 is definitely better than the 11 for seeing under the black light these things, for filming. Interesting.